We're about 10 minutes away from when I'm throwing out the first pitch. Stay tuned. This is going to be pretty crazy.
I grew up in a small town in Connecticut, and I used to watch Major League Baseball on TV every single night. I was obsessed, and I dreamed about becoming a Major League Baseball player. I never really was good enough, but I still liked watching the games. I still liked going to the games. And when I got my chance to finally actually throw out the first pitch at a Major League Baseball stadium in front of the crowd, you better believe I was excited. So this was a big deal for me.
What's up, Tim Sykes here at Dodger Stadium. Look at this, these are our seats. I'm gonna be throwing out the first pitch over there. This is a boyhood dream. This is actually my second time throwing out the first pitch. I'm very spoiled, but I love showing this stuff because it's not just about me anymore, it's about you. What are your boyhood or girlhood dreams? You know, I also dreamt about owning or even driving at that point like a nice car like a Ferrari or Lamborghini. Now I've bought them both. Dreams do come true. So last time I got cocky in the warm-ups, and then when I was on the mound, I tried to selfie it because no one had ever done that before. So I was like, let me be a pioneer. And so I held up my phone literally as I pitched. So I'm like this, and it just didn't work because I didn't want to go short like most people who screw up the throws. So I went long, and it went just way over. I'm taking the mound right now. This is a boyhood dream. Karmagawa, I'm up on the big screen. This is crazy. I don't think anybody has ever selfied this. This is the mound. Woo! 50,000 people watching. All right. I just messed up in front of everybody. That's why we don't selfie when we throw out the first pitch. I'm not nervous, I'm intimidated. There's a difference. I've thrown like 7 balls in my life. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Tim, what's up? Tim, how's it going, guys? Is this regulation?
It's gonna be right.
I need regulation.
You want the full length?
Yeah, what's the full length? Is this like the actual?
That's about right. Switch sides with it. Hello Kitty.
Yes, not a cat, no.
Oh.
Anyway, all right.
You get the gun out and you throw it?
Can we get the gun? Do they have that as an option? Ah. Is that good form or is this terrible form? Oh no! That's what's gonna happen. That's what happens when I get cocky.
There you go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Keep it just like that.
Thanks, man.
Good to meet you.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Good luck. You see, that one got away from me. I was flashback to last year. Did you see that? It went up there. So I know what not to do. You like let it air out when it's too much. I gotta go lower.
I actually even went live from the stadium because it's not just about me anymore, okay? I want you guys to dream big, and I want you to see that you can do this stuff too when you work hard enough, when you're dedicated enough. So I love sharing everything with you.
Whew, the pressure. Second time taking the mound. I'm up on the big screen. Oh, don't screw up, don't screw up, don't screw up. Yes! I feel good about that. Hey! Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I didn't screw up. Nice. All right. Whew. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you. I didn't screw up. I didn't get cocky. I kept it nice and simple, just like Coach taught me. This is my coach. She's very shy, but she's my coach. Thank you. Thank you. Just keeping it simple, really. That's what it's about. Like, I didn't try anything fancy this time. I learned from my mistakes. So even if you do screw up in the past, you get better over time. It's a good analogy to life and trading, throwing out the first pitch.
Hey,
Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.